Hey everyone. Yeah, I just wanted to send a quick video update here and let everyone know that you might have seen other channels being restored on YouTube. It seems the YouTube censorship uh, definitions have changed considerably. And so my first YouTube channel, which I'm now on my third one, but my first one and my second one were both removed, but they have both been restored to me. So I wanted to place this video here to say that my original channel, Wandering Toward Truth, has been restored. And to avoid reposting things in all three spaces, I'd like to just go back to posting things in that space. So I just wanted to give everyone an update. I'll be posting this on my second and third channels, so everyone has an update. And if you want to follow along, come check us out at Wandering Toward Truth. You can find that at youtube.com/wandering toward truth or at wandering toward truth. I may or may not change the name at some point. But yeah, stay tuned for more updates there. It's been an interesting journey to be censored for telling the truth, especially when my channels get taken down for quote unquote harassment and cyberbullying, because you guys know that I'm all about that. Not really. Um, but yeah, I'm grateful to have them back, and I will be putting my efforts into that first channel because that's where the most momentum is. And so yeah, if you're not already tuned in to that channel, definitely come check it out. I will be keeping the newer channels. I will keep them as they are. So all the videos that are there restored, the second channel restored, and the third channel, which is the one I've been more active on until recently, they'll be there. So we'll keep the videos there. I'll be transferring a lot of them over to the old channel. Possibly not all of them, just as much as I have time to do that. I'll be sending them over, and yeah, and so we'll just go from there. So if you want to stay tuned for live updates, definitely check out the old channel, which Wandering Toward Truth, which is what I'll be using. And as always, you can find me on justincarpenter.org. I post regularly on Facebook and Telegram. You can reach me on Telegram at Justin Carpenter. Yeah, so feel free to reach out any which way. Comment on this. I'll check them every now and again. Yeah, so we'll just keep on moving, wandering toward truth, and move in that direction, getting back to harmony with the self-realization of who we truly are, which is these beautiful aspects of the divine creator. You are that. And it's good to remember it. So let's keep reminding each other. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being a part of this. And yeah, sending love out to everybody. And we'll talk soon. Take care.